with you Ahmed Sami, Senior Sales Manager from Sealy Middle East Factory. We are based in Dubai. Sealy is an American brand established at 1881. We are the mattress and bed provider for most 5-star hotels. All chains consider Sealy as a preferred partner, and our range of products can cover 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, and upscales as well, luxury collection. Have Bonnell mattress, have bucket coil mattress, have cooling system mattress. We provide many comfort level. You can find our products in all Marriott, Accor, Hyatt, and Intercontinental hotels. Some brands like Fairmont, Raffles, Ritz-Carlton are exclusively using Sealy mattress in all their hotels. If you'd like to know more, you can also check our range of products in Jeddah factory, and we have office here in Dubai at the Greens community.